stands as one of Nickelodeon's absolute most coveted shows. It never had any home media releases of any kind besides a single Rugrats Tommy's Troubles VHS release, which had the offbeats, but more likely because they were first promoting the show or that they were already airing in between breaks on Nickelodeon. Its only reruns were on the Nicktoons channel for a while until 2005 and briefly again in 2008, and even then around half of the episodes weren't airing, either because of Nickelodeon's new standards and practices or copyright to the shorts they had lost, and its chances of a release are stifled notably because the show's various recurring shorts, one-offs, music videos, and generally mostly everything from the show belonged to their original creators and not Nickelodeon. Similar to other cartoon short compilations like What a Cartoon, not to mention there's also several spin-offs of the show and a few rare known episodes. And while most of the series has been re-uploaded to the internet, one of those episodes was just Chillin', the unofficial series finale, as it was the last episode aired of the show, not to be confused with the elusive episode 29 on January 22nd, 2000, though it may have not been the last episode made. It was supposedly based around Henry and June feeling that their show was ending soon, and so then trying to make it as adventurous and thrilling as they can to give excitement to the viewers. But after Mr. Stockdale says that they have gone over budget, they're reduced to using not only no color and no animation, but also stick puppets in place of the characters. The other shorts were Race Rabbit, in which he had to deliver the secret ingredient to a peace offering in replacement of a secret agent stuck on the road. But while chefs, especially the bullies, crossed between him actually now where the chief was cursed by a fortune teller he thought of as a fraud to eating unhealthy foods and making him obese, and Dave, son of Hercules, were a preteen son of the famous Greek legend, is embarrassed by his father's destructive antics. The episode would also have an animated Jon Voight in disguise as Mr. Foot. It'd include the show's final Action League Now short before its move to its own spin-off, and the animation on Dave, son of Hercules would be done by the same people who animated Henry and June, and in the same Flash style. The episode would rerun until early 2001, that is, if it wasn't only aired once around the time of the show's cancellation and wouldn't be seen again after that at all, and especially not on the internet in re-uploads. The only other hope for this episode ever seeing the light of day again is possibly if the show gets released through either the 90s or All That, or on DVD through Shout Factory, that, or if the creators of the episode's shorts decide to individually release each segment. though YouTube users of 90s and Tromboy claim to be in possession of copies of this episode and of 90s at least supposedly might release them, and when a fan questioned him about this episode, Mark Marek, Henry and June's creator, said that he had all of the episodes on beta tapes and planned to post them in full length on his website. It remains to be seen, however. The only existence of just chilling on the internet at this point is the aforementioned Race Rabbit short, which isn't even available in its original English dub.